Everybody, this is Mudman here at Hellfighters here. Need some parts for a motorcycle? And they got all kind of stuff here. Man, they got good old bike, Harley Davidson or such. You can find in here plain as day. Saddlebags there, different type. Some worse than others. Like I say, gas tanks of all kinds. What the sign says, absolutely. Tires, store, luggage compartment. Just cool things, man. Absolutely. So, a lot of hard to find parts you won't find anywhere else. It's up here at Hellfighters, here in Laurel, Mississippi. Pretty cool stuff, huh? So, you can, engine parts, brake lines, engine parts. You name it, they have it here in a little parts place here. So, it is quite the sight to see. And it's kind of changing because they sell a lot of parts. You need your starter, you need your block. It is a cool place. Anyway, like I say, it's a cool place indeed. Anyway, thanks for watching. Later. Bye.